Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start inside the Google Photos app, unlock your phone, and tap your profile avatar in the top right. Once the account menu opens, choose Photos settings and then Backup and Sync so you see the backup controls. This step exposes the toggle and current account listed. It's important because you'll be changing where and how photos are stored. Make sure you're on the account you intend to modify, since changing the wrong account won't stop backups for the one you use. Now toggle Backup and Sync off. This stops automatic uploads for the selected account. Once done, review the advanced options. Choose to disable backup entirely or limit uploads to Wi-Fi only if you prefer data savings. Also tap Backup Device folders to disable specific folders like screenshots or WhatsApp images, since those can continue uploading otherwise. Make sure app permissions for photos, storage, and background data match your intent, because system-level permissions can override expected behavior. Finish by confirming the top of the Backup and Sync page reads off. That tells you the change took effect. If uploads persist, remove or sign out secondary Google accounts you no longer use, because another account may still be backing up. Once done, restart the app or toggle airplane mode briefly to force a sync status refresh and confirm no background uploads occur. If problems continue, clear Photos app cache and system settings to
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.